Today's video is about Diwali decoration with some DIY ideas. In this video, I would like to share some tips and useful ideas on how to decorate our home entrance beautifully on Diwali day. It is good to decorate our main entrance with fresh mango leaf Thoran. Previously, I have posted a video with 6 different types of Thoran designs. If you are interested to know on how to make fresh mango leaf Thoran, you can find the link in the description or in the I button on top of the video. If you don't have fresh mango leaves, there is an alternative way to use artificial Thoran like this, which is available in the local market. For the sake of the video, here I am using artificial flowers. This is again an alternative way to use artificial flowers if you won't find fresh flowers. This beautiful wall hanging bought online, Lord Ganesha with 3 diyas and hanging bells, a perfect welcoming touch at home entrance on Diwali. Add some festive touch by placing a runner on shoe cabinet. If you don't have a table runner, here is a DIY idea for you. This is a sari blouse piece. You can also use your dupatta to make a runner. I am folding this as per the size of the shoe cabinet. Making tassels with woolen. The runner now looks beautiful after adding the tassels. This is very simple DIY to make a table runner at home. These decorative items made with clay, I have found them in the local market. These 4 men are playing instruments, gives real traditional touch at the entrance. Another DIY, these are actually plain diyas bought from local market. I decorated them with acrylic paints and kundans. I am sharing the plain diyas decoration link in the description as well as in the I button on top of the video. Sitting area is useful for the kids to sit and play and also useful for our guests to make them feel comfortable while removing or wearing their shoes. For me, it is very easy and time saving to do rangoli with flowers. I have posted a video with 3 flower rangoli designs for festival decoration. I am also sharing the link in the description as well as in the I button on top of the video. Also sharing some colorful rangoli designs in the description. Diya decoration is the main decoration for Diwali. I have shared videos on how to paint and decorate plain diyas at home. Of electrical LED lights available in the market with different shapes and colors. You can buy and use them as per your interest. These are few ideas and I am glad to share with you. Hope these ideas are helpful. Happy and safe Diwali to all of you. Catch you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.